guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a garbage truck video. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe right before I empty the first bin. So guys, today's just a garbage truck video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I know some of you guys don't like garbage trucks. But comment if you like garbage trucks, because I love garbage trucks. I can't press it. Can I even press this thing? Guys, I can't press it. Maybe because I'm zoomed in too close. You have to be at the exact spot. Okay, oh my god, that went fast. Yeah guys, I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna play Labyrinth. Oh, yeah, guys. Okay, now I got it. Let's go really fast. Done. Why is it Labyrinth play? Never mind, I'm not playing music. Guys, just gonna empty garbage bin all across the street. Guys, you wanna know something? The bins aren't even turn or anything. And you guys might be wondering why there's no one here. This is my private server. So guys, I'm going to change it to... I'll just keep it. Next house, I'm going to change it back to 6 a.m. So then I have more time. I know, I'm just going across the garbage bin. Comment if you like garbage trucks, because I love it. I said that at the start of the video. Oh, Brookhaven Cemetery, so sad. You could, this is all about garbage trucks. So do you see how the claw just empties it like that? It's cool how the claw empties it. But the thing is, it's straight, it never turns or lands, opens, it's always like the same. But it's just weird. Guys. So, yeah guys. I'm just gonna empty more garbage bins. I'll talk to you guys when I get to the last bin. Guys, well, make sure you watch till the end because I have something special to announce. It's not really special, but all of you guys have to comment on this video if you guys want to know. Don't mind the noise. I'm so bad. And guys, comment if you like garbage trucks. Okay? I'm gonna try doing this fast. Oh, I forgot. I can take my own time. Shoot. Let's change it to 6 a.m. again, so I have more time to empty these lovely bins. They're not lovely, they stink. Oh, never mind, the bin just... Oh, that's right. And guys, make sure to check out my other videos. And my short I said Escape the Running Head will come out another day, which is... I'm not really sure if I'll actually post it out. I might post it out another time. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, guys, I'm just so sorry that I haven't posted it. I think I said that in March, and I haven't posted April, and it's already May. It's May 15th. And I still... Oh, there has to be no bins here, which is... I'm just going to drive away. Brookhaven. Guys, my speed is 70. Comment how much Robux you have. I used to have 10,000 and now like 11, 12,000. Now I have only 7,000. Since there's no bins there, I'm just gonna cross down. Guys, one thing I don't like about private servers is that you have to pay 100 Robux every month. So I might just use it just this time because I don't like wasting my Robux. Comment how much Robux you have. Like, none of you guys have commented in any of my, although some people. And please subscribe. Like, one day I was posting videos in the morning, and then I got my 11th subscriber, and yeah, and my brother has 16. I need you to subscribe so I can beat him. And I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but if I don't, that's fine, but just please subscribe. Another bin. I might not show every part, but I'm gonna try because I get tired of emptying bins. This is really tired. Guys, I have to go around. I don't even come for the others. The trash bin's everywhere. Comment if you put out the garbage or recycle. I do. This video I'm just talking about garbage and recycling. And just turning around. So guys, yeah, just keep commenting, I might reply or I might like your comment, but please don't comment bad things. Just please, or else I won't reply. I'm not gonna reply to all of your comments. If you guys want me to, just put. And the thing is, I might do something. And if you guys subscribe and make me hit 1,000 subscribers before my brother, I'll do something special. And I'll let you guys do it. I'm tired. I might keep going. Let's go through the thing backwards. And I have all the passes in Brookhaven. Not even one pass I don't have. That's why I don't have much Robux. Plus I spent it on Bed War kits. I'll put that in my next video. I might have my next video might be. But Brookhaven's just too fun. Not really. I don't really play Brookhaven. Comment if you like, subscribe if you like my videos. But just subscribe even though you don't. Just please, guys. Okay. So we still have to get that bin. Got that bin. Now I have to go all the way to the auto shop. I haven't been posting a lot. Yeah, but I'm trying to. Like, I'm trying my best. I'm just always busy. Owie. And you guys might be wondering why I started in a corner. Is that Dog Street? It says I'm on Dogwood. Trying to go really fast. Oh my god, I forgot about this section. At least I saw this. There's some other new updates that you guys should check out. Just check out my other videos. Leave a like and a comment. I'd really like you to do that for me. Just try. Guys, just make sure to like, subscribe. I said that word like so many times, guys. Comment how many times I said that. If you get it right, I don't know what will happen. I think this is my last place. Yeah, it is my last. It's like 12 o'clock. Because this is a private server, there's no one in here. Only my friends can join. Well, guys, I'm going to end it here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Plus comment. Bye.